Ever tried to make a simple meal in the great outdoors, only to end up with a jumbled mess of gear, spilled spices, and a cold dinner? We've all been there. That's why I didn't just research the best camping kitchens. I went out, bought the top 5 kits, and built them all in the field. Most were good, one was a total letdown, but one of them completely redefined what a portable kitchen can be. The solution as for wind alone is worth the price of admission. Let's get into it. Starting at number 1. GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cook Station. Easiest to set up. Simple, affordable, and lightweight at just under 19 pounds, this cook station is perfect for any outdoor event where you need a little extra serving or cooking space. GCI's Slim Fold collapsing design allows the table to break down to the size of a large beach chair between uses, which makes it easy to carry and store. Ultimate outdoor kitchen. Make your camp trips epic with the Slim Fold Cook Station. This portable kitchen features fold-out side tables for storage and hooks for trash bags or utensils. It's the perfect addition to your tailgating and camping essentials. Ready to cook. Safely use a camp stove on the tabletop thanks to strong, heat-resistant aluminum design. Popular uses: tailgating prep station, campsite kitchen, picnic table, and cleaning site, but this multi-use table is perfect for every activity. This camping kitchen boasts a powder-coated steel frame for rigidity, an aluminum countertop that's strong enough for a heavy camp stove, up to 48 pounds, and a lower rack that's the ideal spot for your dish bin or cooler. Plus the table edges are littered with extra holding features for cups, wine glasses, utensils, a garbage bag, and a roll of paper towels. Number 2. Camp Chef Sherpa Table. Best hybrid tote in kitchen. Not enough cargo room for a huge, multi-level camping kitchen? Camp Chef's Sherpa table saves space by doubling as luggage. The cooler-sized table comes with 4 zippable storage tote bags that you can store in the space underneath the cooking surface. Having the Sherpa camp table and organizer is like having kitchen cupboards at the campsite. When the legs are compressed and pouches zipped, the carry handles make it easy to grab and go. The 4 padded bags keep everything organized during storage and transport, but as an added feature, the blue organizer bag is lined and can be used as a cooler or even a kitchen sink. A roll-out aluminum tabletop attaches to the frame and is stowed away when not in use. Internal zipping storage dividers can be adjusted to customize storage options and open up enough room for a Mountain Series stove or portable outdoor oven. Pack food, cookware, cleaning supplies, and other gear in the 4 colored bags, stack them inside the Sherpa, and toss the whole kit in your vehicle. When you get to camp, pull the Sherpa out, extend the legs, roll out the single 27 by 17-inch tabletop, and your storage box transforms into a prep station for drink mixing and meal prepping. Number 3. Coleman Packaway Portable Kitchen. Best for cooking at night. If you're looking for a kitchen that won't fold under pressure, Coleman's packaway option is sturdy, with a 300-pound capacity, thanks to its angled leg supports with additional attachment points. Its expandable aluminum frame supports 2 surfaces, the 32 by 21-inch main tabletop that's ideal for slicing and dicing, and a smaller side rack that's large enough to hold a camp stove or a small cooler. Tired of asking someone to hold the flashlight on the stove? Hang your camping lantern on the dedicated overhead hook and you'll be in the spotlight, ready to whip up a midnight feast. When you're done, the whole thing collapses and packs up into the tabletop, so you can carry it with a briefcase-style handle to the car like a boss heading home from closing a deal. Number 4. Camco Olympian Deluxe Grilling Table. Easy to clean. Designed specifically for your camping grill or portable stove, this table is lightweight, durable, and a breeze to set up. Snap a few pieces into place, hang your spatula, tongs, and paper towels from the hooks, and you're ready to fire up the grill on the main surface, with 2 side tables for prep and ingredients. With a 100-pound maximum weight limit, the primary cooking table is sturdy, and should be able to handle heavy cooking gear. The table is also easy to clean and stow. Simply wipe down the slick aluminum surfaces, remove the table tops, and fold up the frame. When it's time to go, you can put it all in the included carry case and slide it in the trunk under the rest of your gear. Number 5. Stromberg's Fish and Game Cleaning Table. Stromberg's Fish and Game Cleaning Table. Anyone who's ever cooked multiple meals outside knows how hard it is to keep a cooking station clean. With or without a camping kitchen, it can be nearly impossible to keep dishes from getting gummy, especially when they sit out on an open fire. This folding table gives you a secret weapon in the fight to keep your campsite pots and pans clean: a working sink. The Stromberg's table with sink is simple. It doesn't have any hooks, shelves, or cubbies. There's a single large prep surface, 45 by 23 inches, with the sink at the end. Hook up the faucet to a garden hose, if you're lucky enough to be near one, or connect it to your RV's water tank. From there, just add some soap and you'll have clean dishes in no time. It's also a lifesaver on a fishing trip. You can bring your catch back to camp and clean it up on the spot. And there you have it, 5 paths to your perfect camp kitchen, from the ultra-simple to the all-in-one genius system. No more guesswork, just proven performance under the open sky. All the links to check prices and buy any of these camping kitchens for your next adventure are in the video description down below. If this review saved you time and hassle, do me a solid, smash that like button. It really supports the channel. Share this with your camping crew to plan your next trip. And for more honest gear reviews and outdoor adventures you can trust, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. Until next time, happy trails and great meals!